guys and gals, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I make my Jamaican jerk chicken. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment on my video, follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, alright? And you know that this is your girl Lady Smithy. So this is my chicken, which is mostly chicken breast, right? I use breast because you know this is meaty chicken, and when you're gonna jerk the chicken, you do not take off the skin of the chicken, because if the fire is too hot, the skin kind of provide moisture, so it keeps the chicken moist and nice, so the chicken don't really get burned when you leave the skin on it. So I went ahead and I started seasoning my chicken because I am gonna let it sit for a while and marinate. So now this is my season, which I blended earlier on, because I like to use blended season because I don't really use MSG or anything like that. So I'll blend my seeds because when I do that, I know what is in it. So I'll go ahead and show you what I put in my blended season. I have my scallion. No, sorry, this is my time. Sorry, this is scallion. I'm so excited because the scallion that I have here is I grow them outside. So see them there? I grow my own scallion in my garden. I grow sweet pepper. Some people call it bell pepper, but we call it sweet pepper, and this is green one. So they are green, yellow, and red. Alright, so this is my own sweet pepper. The minister said, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. So I grow my own. And I grow my own hot pepper. And in here I have some pimento seeds, my thyme, and my ginger. So this is what I usually blend to make the season that I use on my jerk chicken. Right, I'll put some salt and some black pepper, and it all depends on how hot you like it. So if you like it really hot, you use a whole lot of pepper, and if you don't want it to be hot, you use less pepper and make it mild. But in this case, because it's jerk chicken, you want it to be spicy. So you see how it look after I blended the season and pour it on it. See there, really nice and ready for the grill. So I said it's my jerk chicken because I have my grill outside, which I'm gonna put my coal in, light the fire, and I'm gonna show you when I put my chicken on the grill, and I'm gonna show you when it is grilling, show you when I'm finished, and then let you have a look at what my chicken look like when I jerk it. Because you know Jamaicans love jerk chicken. We love anything jerk. Pork, jerk, chicken, just jerk. If you say jerk, you say Jamaican. If you say Jamaica, you say jerk. So this is how I prepare my chicken to jerk. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it in the container, let it marinate for maybe an hour, and then I'll come back and show you when I light my grill and put it on it. So this is Jamaican jerk, Lady Smithy style. Okay, soon come back. Putting them on the grill, face down, right there. Oh, there's a wing in it. Now see them there? I'm gonna open that to let in some more air, because at least it would blow the fire. Now this is my grill. you call this a jumper in Jamaica. So this is a 30-pound cylinder, and this go for like 4,500 on the street side when you find those grill men, right? So this is my grill. I call it my grill pan, which is actually my grill cylinder. So I put these in there for hour and 20, hour 30, and then I come back every now and then to check them, and I'll pour some beer on them, and then I turn them over on the other side, and I will show you when they are being cooked and when they are finally cooked. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so that's my Jamaican jerk. Alright, they're looking very good. I usually make my own sauce that I use for my chicken or pork or whatever. So this is some red stripe beer with a little bit of barbecue sauce, some ketchup, ginger, onion, all the natural seasons that I use on my chicken to season it. That's what I use to make my sauce. So see, I bring it to a boil, and then what I do is put it at the side of the plate in a little dish to serve with my chicken. Right, it's very tasty and spicy. So see there, I'm not gonna brush it onto my chicken as yet, because I could do that. I could pour it over the chicken, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna serve it at the side of the chicken. All right, so you will notice everything will be in the plate, and I show you my finished product when I am done. But this is my sauce that I usually make when I'm cooking. See there, nice, bubbly and ready. See there, my sauce, I usually make it. See there, after about an hour and 40 minutes, the chicken is now ready. So I'm taking them out of the grill. Right, see them there, looking, see them here, looking very nice and crispy. Right, so this is a finished product. Right, this is Jamaican jerk chicken from a grill, and this is my actually grill. This is my jump pan. Right, I can rest them in there a bit, close it down and show you. See there, this is my cylinder and this is my grill jump. So this is what I do my pork and my chicken and fish and anything jerk. This is what I usually use. Right, so guys, this is supposed to be really nice and scrumptious. All right, so see there, oops, 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 still warm, still warm. So I'm back inside. Right, so I'm gonna transfer everything now to the plate and set it up, and plate it for you so you can see it. So this is I show you when I put my sauce on it. I showed you when I put my red stripe light, right? Because that was what I used to baste the chicken. Guys and gals, this is my Jamaican jerk chicken, spicy jerk chicken from my grill outside. Remember, like my video, watch my video, tell me what you think about my presentation, and leave a comment. All right, thanks for watching. This is Ladies.
Not you.